I'm thinking of you. Anything you do to me that makes me love you while I'm living ecstasy. Hey, you, things you do to me that makes me love you now I'm living ecstasy. All the time. Mm-hmm. 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 I'm in love again. I feel so good. I'm thinking of you. Nothing to do to me. I miss love you while I'm sexy. And you and I love you. Sing. We are family. Yeah. And I'm a sister. Sing to bring me a family. Yeah. Give up everybody and dance. Baby, life is fun and you just together to get sing. All this world feeling. I, I hope we shine for the future. And that goes inside. We know we don't get the prize. And so we come. I lose. I faith in you and nothing to do. You come on. It's a family. We are family. Yeah, I got 'em. Oh, yeah. And what was it? I lost the music. Kind of. Oh no, not that one. Yeah. He's the greatest ever. I want the one that I've ever seen. I've ever seen. I wonder why. He's the greatest ever I've ever seen. One night in the disco, cruising with my favorite gang. That's possible. Adoring. I knew that it was nothing. I set my eyes staring at a guy who stood at the crowd. Fan Gucci, Lily Rushi. Smiling just a kid. Wonder why. He's the greatest dancer. I wonder why. I've ever seen. I've ever seen. Yeah, it's Patrick Williams, so different. And one of Owen Brown. And Wesley, the son. Ophelia Brown, Sister Brown, Yogi Martin. Um, Pamela Simmons Brown, Johnny Carter. You can all hear us. I think we were with the right lyrics. So, oh, thank you. Oh, there was lost in music. Oh yeah, two couple two extra and one extra YouTube, Facebook, yeah, Google, and lost in music, caught in a trap. No turning back. Well, lost in music. Well, lost in music. Don't take away our music. That's alright. I quit my 9 to 5. I lost the music. I lost the music. Have every people listen. You to go with the night. Uh-huh. And have me. You never survive. Oh no. Oh, people. Oh, oh, lost the music. Thank you.